3, 2, 1, now.
Insolent whelps! Your blood will temper the weapons used to reclaim this world!
I'm out of range.
Arise, soldiers of the Iron Crucible!
I've got this one. Oh shit. Tass, come across and pick up the ad, please. I'm in the pot.
Okay, he's mine. I have no fire here, so I'll have to...
Yeah, move across, Nate. That's fine. Just... It's inevitable we'll have to shift across. Just move wherever the fire is. I'll take your side.
Your impurities! Arise, soldiers of the Iron Crucible! The Maker's will be done!
Let's see where the ad is.
Burn in the Maker's...
It's in the middle now.
Yeah, I've got him. Do I have a healer on me, please?
Yeah, I got you.
Scissor.
Okay, guys, destroy my target, please. As soon as he's... There we go. Destroy him. Thank you. Get him to the fire task quickly.
Pot.
Cass, heal yourself.
Working on it.
Maker's will be done.
Okay, I've got the next ad.
Go. In the pot.
Michael and Pot.
Right, there's 2 ads being brought here. Destroy them.
Ad in the middle. Come on guys, keep up the good work.
Okay, kill the
On
ad.
me, I'm Tyrion.
I'm down.
There's a touch.
Call me in the pot.
Okay, Beckett's down, so the backup needs to take over, please.
Arise, so I will burn away your impurities.
Okay, Michael's got the ad.
Be done.
Get it in the fire, mate. Get it in the fire. To 10 stacks. You're gonna have to taunt. I know Beckett's down. The backup needs to take over. Okay, burn the ad down. Come on.
I'm on it. Move away.
Soldiers of the Iron Crucible.
There's another ad coming.
The Maker's will be done.
Get the ad down.
Burn in the Maker's fire.
I've got the ad, don't worry.
More scraps
Okay.
Trace down.
I will burn away.
Ah, healers, come on. Look after yourselves. Use your health stones, use whatever you got.
Arise, soldiers of the Iron
Very, very important you all stay alive.
Burn in the
Do you want me to battle res?
Yeah, Trey Priest, please. Guys, someone pick up that ad. Pick up the ad.
I got the ad.
Trey Priest, where are you?
Just wait, she's in the fire at the minute, mate.
Right.
Okay, burn the ad.
Burn in the Maker's fire.
Wait, us.
Arise, soldiers of the Iron Crucible. The Maker's will.
Yeah, I've got the next ad. I see him.
Can do it.
Oh shit, I'm in the pot. Someone quickly pick up the ad. Pick up the ad. He's right by the boss's feet.
She's on me.
Come on guys, keep it up. Make sure you heal everyone.
Burn in the Maker's fire.
God, that was unlucky. I pick up the ad and I get chucked in the pot, the bastard.
Arise, soldiers
that's
of the Iron will burn away your impurities. Be done.
You want to see where the next... Oh, I've got the next ad, don't worry.
Burn in the Maker's fire.
Ad in middle.
Alright, on me.
Ad killing tree. Tree dead.
Come on, guys. 20%.
Why were there two... Guys, when the ads turn red, you need
In the
to
pot
hold
again.
them at the right time.
Arise, soldiers of the Iron Crucible. The Maker's will be done. Burn in the Maker's fire.
Tristan poor
I
healing.
will burn away.
I was feeling the red.
Guys, hey, to be quite frank, I don't care why you died. If you're dead, you're dead.
Arise, soldiers of the
No more battle
Iron
reses, so
Crucible.
you're just gonna have to stay
Maker's
dead.
will be done.
Those who are still alive...
I'll take over healing on ground.
Burn in the Maker's fire.
I've got the ad.
I will burn away.
Beautiful work guys. Beautiful.
Good job, guys. Fantastic.
Thing is cheating.
Don't get too confident, guys.
Task down.
Oh,
we go.
oh, yes.
Rads.
Greg just came.
Yes, please. Well done. Wow, I couldn't. I was busy tanking an ad and doing my job. I wasn't watching the boss's help.
Excellent tanking, excellent healing, excellent DPS. Brilliant job all
Superb
round. Well
work,
done, guys.
Really superb. Really proud of you all. Well done.